In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a sales funnel from one System.io account to another account. This is my one System.io account and this is my another System.io account. Now let's say I want to share this sales funnel from this account to that account. So how can we do that? So doing it very simple. Just open your System.io dashboard. Then click on website and click on sales funnels. Now let's say I want to share this sales funnels from this account to that account. So I'll just click here and click share. Now what do we need to do? We just need to copy link to clipboard. Now I will just open this tab and I will just open a new tab and then I will just paste the URL and then press enter. And then the sales funnel is automatically imported to our this account. Here you can see it showing it's in progress. Now if we reload the page, then see the funnel has successfully imported on our this account. Now if we click here and view, then see the funnel is successfully imported over here. So this way you can easily share your sales funnels with anyone. You just need to copy the link and share with others. Now let me show you another thing. This is our website and here on this templates page. Now let's say when someone click the button, then that import will be automatically imported. So how can we do that? It's pretty simple. So what we need to do? We just need to add the link on this button. Let me show you. So I will just copy this one and I will just change the banner image and now I will just rename it. Now on this import now button, I will just paste the URL. Now if someone click here, then the templates will automatically import it. So you just need to share the link with others and if they just click the link, then the templates will automatically import it. Now let's see is it working or not. Now what I will do, I will just delete this template and if I just open our website and if I just click templates and scroll down below and if I just click here import now, then see the templates will be imported again here. If we just reload the page and if we just click here and view, then see the same templates have been imported again. So yes guys, this way you can easily import templates from one System.io account to another account. So that's it for this particular video. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.